Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Garima Sati, Gold Medalist in BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. Also did SCPH, SCPH Plus, NAHI and doing successful practice since last 7 years in Chhindwara, India. Now let's understand what is going to be taught in this course module. This lecture is about homeopathic approach for viral flu. Now let's understand what is viral flu. So it is a very common type of infection which can be harmful, especially for the persons who are at high risk or who are more prone or susceptible to it. It mainly affects children, old age persons or pregnant females. Now it affects mainly nose, throat and lungs, that is whole respiratory tract may get affected because of this viral flu. Or people with any kind of lingering chronic disease or having weak immune system are also at high risk. In this lecture, we will study about the detailed description of the symptoms, diagnosis, homeopathic approach for this viral flu, and even we are going to tell you about the post-viral complications along with its homeopathic approach in this course module. Now let's understand what is homeopathy. So homeopathy is an alternative medicine. Besides allopathy, homeopathy is famous nowadays, and in some diseases homeopathy is even far better than allopathy. This homeopathy has been invented by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 1796. It is a divine science based on indivisualization and similia similibus curantur, that is same cures same. In this homeopathy, we individualize the case according to case taking. We take the full history of a patient from case taking till today. We take the physical generals, that is eating habits, his thirst, his thermals, his sleep disorders or dreams, etc. We also take mental symptoms like will, intellect, moral, his thought process, his beliefs, his emotions and all. So after taking this case, we analyze the case and then prescribe the medicine. This medicine varies from different to different individual accordingly. So this is the individualization concept. It is based on that particular constitution. Thank you.